everyone and welcome to the original Oktoberfest in Munich, Germany. I am Florian Stollmayer, author of the book Florian Stollmayer's Quick Guide to the Oktoberfest. The Oktoberfest is the biggest beer festival in the world, with over 6 million visitors every year. This Bavarian tradition was established in 1810. The Oktoberfest is famous for its delicious food and of course the Bavarian beer, but also the traditional fashion, such as dirndl dress and lederhose. For more information on the Oktoberfest, I would like to refer to my book, Florian Stollmayer's Quick Guide to the Oktoberfest, available on Amazon.com. I'm gonna see you next time, friends. Have a nice day. Servus und auf Wiedersehen. Hello friends, or as we say here in Bavaria, Servus beieinander. Welcome to the Oktoberfest. With over 6 million visitors each year from all over the world, the original Oktoberfest in Munich, Germany is the biggest beer fest globally. This Bavarian tradition was established in 1810 during the wedding ceremonies between King Ludwig I and Queen Ceres of Bavaria. The Oktoberfest is also called Theresienwiese, or short in Bavarian Wiesn, after the queen's name Ceres. Translated into English, this means Meadow of Ceres. As a native Bavarian from Munich, I can give you more inside looks on the Oktoberfest like this. Please check out my brand new book, Florian Stollmayer's Quick Guide to the Oktoberfest, available on Amazon.com. You can find the link below. So long, friends, or as we say here in Bavaria, Servus, für Gott und auf Wiedersehen.